Our school, Michael Nagar Shikhaniketan, government-sponsored co-ed English medium higher secondary, has taken an excellent initiative in conducting online classes through YouTube channel. Even in this pandemic situation, our school did not step aback in providing and enhancing knowledge to the students. So, it's a request to the viewers, please like, comment and subscribe.
Hello students, today I am continuing class 9's English grammar skill and my today's topic is again transformation of sentences, but today I am going to discuss about how to interchange of degrees. Okay, before doing interchanging of degrees we need to know what is adjective, because degree means degree of adjectives. So what is adjective? We all know that adjective means which word describes noun or pronoun. So these words are called adjectives. And then come to degree. How many types of degrees we have? We have three kinds of degrees. Number one positive, then comparative, and the last one is superlative. Okay, now positive degree. How can we find out this is positive degree? Positive degree means when only something is same. Okay, this is called positive degree. Like I am same as another one. So this is positive one. It means there is no one who is more than or who is less than. So this is positive degree. And in positive degree we use only the actual adjective form, like good. This is positive form of adjective. Next come to the comparative degree. Comparative degree means comparison between two things, and these two things and between these two things someone or something is more than or less than. This is called comparative degree. And in comparative degree we need to use or we need to add er with the main adjective form, or but somewhere it is different from the other one, like good. Maximum of the time we need to add er with the main adjective, but like good, adjective comparative degree of good is better. See, here also we add er, but the word is different from the other one. So it is better, the adjective form of good is better. But like cool, if I use adjective comparative degree of cool, then we need to add er, then it becomes cooler, and so cooler is comparative degree. And the last one is superlative degree. Superlative degree means suppose in your class some one boy is he is the tallest, so it means no one is like him, so he is the supreme one. Superlative, the actual word superlative comes from supreme. It means no one is like one, or you can say no one is like no one is more than or no one is less than. So this is superlative. Superlative is generally we need to add st or est with the adjective, like good, better, best. The superlative form of good is best. So here are the three degrees, and how do we change these degrees? By adding er and st we have known. Now let's come to the sentence structure. In positive degree, how can we write the sentence? The sentence structure is subject, definitely subject. We all know that maximum of the sentences starts with subject. So subject, and after subject verb, and then as, then adjective, then as. Okay, so in positive degree in sentence we need to use as before the positive form of adjective and after the positive form of adjective. Like if I write down a sentence like he is as good as Rima, See, here is the subject, here is the verb, and here is as. As, I need to use as because good is positive form. So in positive form we need to use as to make a positive degree sentence, then again as, and then object. So it becomes a sentence with positive degree. Next, come to the comparative degree. How can we write down a sentence which bears a comparative degree? Subject, verb, adjective. Adjective means here the comparative form of adjective, and then and then object. Okay. So at first I write down he is better than his brother. So here we can see that here is subject, then verb, and then it is the comparative form of good or comparative degree. Then as it is a comparative degree, we need to use then. Always keep in your mind that after comparative degree in sentence always we need to use then, and then the subject, then the object. So it is he is better than his brother. It means he is not like his brother, he is somehow better than his brother. Okay, next, superlative degree. Another one is superlative degree. So in superlative degree, sentence structure is subject, verb, the, then adjective, superlative form of adjective, and then object. Okay, he is the best boy in the class. It means no one is as good as him or no one is better than him. So here he is subject, then verb, and then definitely use the. Without using the, we cannot do a proper sentence structure with superlative degree. Before superlative degree, we have to use the. Okay, and if somewhere you can find out or you will find any fill in the blanks like article, fill in the blanks with article, and there you will find a superlative degree, then definitely you can easily imagine that you have to write down the, because before superlative degree always we need to use the definite article the. Okay, and best is, we all know, it is superlative degree, and then the object. So here are the sentence structures of positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now to come to the transformation of sentences. We all know that transformation of sentences means transforming or changing the sentences without changing its meaning. It means we need to change the structure, not the meaning. In interchanging degrees also, we need to change the degrees without changing its meaning. The first one, here you can say I have written down 3 sentences. Why 3 sentences? Because these are different sentences. We need to use or we need to do differently these 3 sentences. The first one, I am as brave as he. If you will find this kind of sentence and your question will be like, change this sentence into comparative degree, then you can easily think that I can write down I am braver than he. No, then the meaning will be changed. So we cannot change the meaning, only we can change. What we can do? Only we can change the structure. So how can we write down? I am as brave as he. It means he is not braver than me. I am as brave. It means I am same as he. So I can write down he is not better than, not braver, sorry, not braver than me. Or you can write down I am not braver than me. It is also correct. You can also write down I am not braver than me. I am not braver than him. So it means I am as brave as him. Okay, next one. These are very you can, these are very common thing, or these are very common sentences you can find out in your question paper, and you will be very much confused about this. No need to be confused, just follow the rules and maintain the rule when you are going to change the sentences. Number 1 sentence, you can see Sachin Tendulkar is one of the greatest batsman in the world, and the next sentence, Everest is the highest peak of the world. So what is the difference between these two sentences? See carefully, very carefully you need to see the sentence. Sachin Tendulkar is one of the, and Everest is the highest. One of the greatest, and here is the highest. Okay, Sachin Tendulkar is one of the greatest. One of the greatest means there are some people who are as great as Sachin Tendulkar. But very few, they are very few. So in positive sense, when we are going to change it into positive degree, we need to use very few, because not many one, but some people, very few people are as great as Sachin. So we can write down very few batsmen are as great, very few batsmen in the world are as great as Sachin. Okay, so here we need to use very few when we see one of the. And now comparative. Comparative means there are some people and we need to use then. So how can we use? Again write down Sachin Tendulkar is greater than maximum of the people are not like Sachin. Okay, but there are few people, so we can write down like this: Sachin Tendulkar is greater than many other batsmen in this world. Okay, so here we need to use than many other. You can use most other, you can use many other is appropriate, but you can use most other also. And then here it comes, Everest is the highest peak. Everest is the, there is no one of, there is only the. Everest is the highest peak. It means there is no other peak who is as great as Everest or sorry, as high as Everest. So here I need to write down no other peak. No other peak of the world is as great as Everest. So here I need to, or we need to use no other. When there is not one of, then we need to use no other. And in now comparative. Comparative, Everest is highest peak from any other. So we need to write down Everest is than any other peak. It means there is no other peak in the world who is as high as Everest. So here are the three different sentences and there are the three different uses, or here we need to write down these kind of sentence structure, or we need to follow this kind of sentence structure to interchange these kind of sentences. Okay, so this is the this is all about how to change degrees, how to change positive degree into comparative degree into superlative degree without changing its meaning, only changing its structure. So in my next class we will do how to change simple sentence to complex, complex sentence to compound. For today it is all about interchange of degree. Thank you.
Subscribe. Click on the bell. Like, comment, share.